Joe for Joey's Super Cool Food Reviews. I'm back. Today I'm doing Sonic burgers. Woo! Today they have a new Salsa Verde Breakfast Toaster. That's right. It comes with Salsa Verde, which is German for avocado, bacon. It's got onions and melty cheese. It's really good. It's a good way to start your breakfast. And check this out, gang. So this is how you Sonic. This is how you Sonic. Look, push the button. Top your tots. They have epic team of, what is this? Car hops. They are on roller skates. It's incredible. They have real ice cream. They have happy hour every day. Tip it, mix it, double dog it, Sonic. Chill it, thrill it. I can't stop. I'm rambling. Why am I rambling? So this is the Salsa Verde breakfast. It's the toaster. This is a good way to start your day. So check this out, gang. So look at this beautiful Sonic toaster. We're going to open it. This is the point of the video where I quote a scene from one of my greatest movies of all times, Point Break, with Keanu Reeves and Patrick Swayze. Vaya con Diaz, baby. Anyways, getting back to the review. So here we go, gang. This is the Sonic Salsa Verde toaster, breakfast toaster. So it's got, remember, like I said, it's got Salsa Verde, which is German for apples, and it's got bacon and avocado, onions, and melty cheese, okay? So, oh, look at this. Ooh, look at this, look at this, look at this. Oh, what a way to start the day with the Salsa Verde breakfast toaster. So check this out. It has eggies, bacon, melted cheese. Let's turn this over. There's the verde, the onions, and the melty cheesy. So here we go, gang. This is Sonic Salsa Verde Breakfast Toaster. Woo! Here we go. The bacon coupled with the cheese, onions, and the avocado swings. This is so good, gang. This is $2.99, and then, you know, you throw in a drink and, you know, some little snackies. Comes out like $6 something. So it's really good, gang. This is really great. This is a good way to start the day. It's Sonic. Anyways, one of my favorite scenes from Dan Aykroyd from Saturday Night Live. No ifs, ands, or buts about it. You're spending the night with Fred Garvin, male prostitute. Anyway, so check this out. This is really good. Woo! On a scale of 1 to 10, people go, Joey, you get too many 10s. You get too many 10s out there. You know what? I'm giving this a 10. This is how good this thing is. This thing swings. Get the Sonic, get down the street, pull in the drive-thru, have the girls come up on the roller skates. Or if you're into the boys, do that too. And it is good, gang. So, on a scale of 1 to 10, this is a 10. This is the Salsa Verde Breakfast Toaster from Sonic. You won't go wrong. This is Highway Sonic. Anyways, this is Joe from Joey's Super Cool Food Reviews. Please share. Please favorite. Please like my videos. And go ahead and subscribe if you want to see some more funny food reviews. Anyways, tell a friend, everyone. This is Joe from Joey's Super Cool Food Reviews. Saying, peace.